Anuafo yasamba bi share video we pan yi and never become about support and resistance. And no one the predicted direction and never be use good at their share adewe. Support and resistance here technical to most forex gurus use the trading. Now started here from the 90s I started trading and almost support and resistance. Now everybody still use it. That is most forex gurus almost use support and resistance. And one I'm in the pretty good direction way here where direction now. This was the results of this was the before the prediction, and this trade was after the prediction. And we will say miskape kakra sell no kakra on results and any. And yeah, GBP USD to the same thing, and I'm in the chain that buy way before trading here and after the trading here. And guys, maybe break it down what is support and resistance and acquire before so they are trading or marketing. The army person will say subscribe to channel no support no recommend channel number 4 because it's a new channel. You can support and resistance. I dey back be easy ama wati ase asase and a ceiling. Asase and a ceiling. And e ma wati ase. Enti me hu ne say obiara di kan for trading mo da obiara nim trading no enti me nkom nema bebre mu. Wo hwe chart ni so wa ase na zone na wa ase no. The friend is support zone. And now here so was saying so zone na was so no no. So zone that's what I say. The friend resistance zone. The idea behind this is anytime bia nipa ye na masase so no. The fan say ground no and support here. And the fan say nipa ni no 90 form. 290 form assassin or form no and support you. Nti fans assassin or form any and support you. Nti assassin and support here no. Your best friend support and grinding. So assassin and support and was in. And anytime be our be here akosro no, obe jump akosro no. There is a gravity e was so Emma want to mean sustain e wiem obeba form. So gravity no, a friend resistance, over trading a friend resistance. And was shown any panapampe moon. And the idea anytime our price no be pushy free for the price no if you sort of say in a buffer. A buffer man say be drew assassin so gravity assassin so it was say assassin piano nessa cosro because assassin na air supporting. And this a bar say be drew assassin so say I was say some pushy cosro. E be do assassin so e was say some pushy cosro. And I say cover na be drew ceiling na was so now that is gravity now. I was say gravity ni pushing it from a sort of a manaba form. E be do assassin I was say pushy cosro. E be drew a sort of I was say ceiling no a pushing and gravity ni pushing manaba form. E be drew I was say some pushing into sa idea no and a friend support and resistance. And no and a day apply your marketing in trading guys. You better unya concept no once and for all. If you see a better life example no, now if you apply principle no or no. Until where they are price in the movie or zone anymore. In the same net here. Until a show there no. We know in a friend say a resistance because it is resisting price from pushing. And now I see in your friend say support. Sanity. So what I say, just subscribe to the channel. No? Now your idea be on my friend resistance break and support break. So ceiling was rising. And yet they be on a price no, it be there grow inside see. I thought that price need to be breaking that ceiling no. Indeed idea no say price need push it from I say need be breaking ceiling na. E na breaking ceiling pe now ceiling na abe da ase nti ababe na asase bi nti o china bi mu no ebe pim asase na e wo say esan pushing ne ko the same way aye wa ase no ebe san to aso aye wo soro no say breaking na on idea no nti say we na air resistance no the moment the price be break no e dey ahoden be break no say ahoden o say candle no ye kese e be break no ochina bi mu no ye pese ensa me react ni say ensa be na asase then push no then kosoro the same way na ceiling na was no the same way na support na was na asase no surprise it me be break we a ochina bi mu no say e be retest no na sa push e form oh idea no nti we na friend support and resistance no we na idea no of support and resistance price a react zone multiple time on the floor no a form a support a sort no a ceiling or resistance and for idea we for 2 3 for idea we for 2 3 support and resistance no for 2 3 once and for all. Now yen call live example no me person video ni be long nti yen call live example it be so good at the actual because good they say you be really good. Subscribe to the channel no guys or comment down me who comment section no enti obi a chat na my mentality we obi a chat na the obey ni say now or say a final trend na market ni e wo mu no initially market ni e was downtrend if you soro na eba form what I say sonny market ni eba form we the beginner crowd be who say market ni eba form. Until now, ever form no, I was see finding a perfect shape for the market. Osha there now, my catcher say be a price na do multiple times. A supporting no, a question say or no, overdraw to one overdraw to, you be never drama because one hour we have analysis no. We in year you get money, utia you lose money. Into sheni year this year, into overdraw assassin to ceiling no. There be a price and I reacted to multiple time no be brain no. The price na dey grow be bree no overdraw zone na to onum say remember can you say price goes with future direction what I say future prediction price any a previous history any ejuma means what I say baby a price in kai ochina and this a money be price in say a money be among card no and I me money be soon card but price card and so finance endra price be do this place in a jina ya or china be draw on my it is more certain say be jina what I say it will draw support na kai who say or so draw resistance no into the be so we copy no piste was so say no one who say market no I feel one who say market no AC consolidation what I say until now can you say originally no market no a downtrend until they also say you are finding sell until sell price no baby do ceiling no the no the same thing you apply principle no and I be do ceiling no na say break ceiling ni pe they will say very react ceiling net was because price ni drop it did that what am I say until the obey say now you pay trade entry actually into be BH chart him say your 4 hour now I call 2 hour time frame 2 hour time frame when the market in here once have a bas ceiling so marketing bas ceiling so into we know be an never say per trade per sell trade or hammer and bra form and no be an never say we are marketing do no sell now pay share because originally the material say a bas ceiling we so into no be an never say find a sell trade and to sell a bar what I say until from here no all trade you'll be looking for should be sell now you call 30-minute time frame me best you call smaller time frame now it was zooming into no be never catch say all trade I'll be pay sell there are multiple confirmation now you look for me 1 hour there are multiple confirmation you look for before entries and I'll do that other videos mami who comment section on if you want me to do that well and say we are starting again from the bigger picture no market no I clear am I until now whatever the market in here it is coming down to this one to the support until we so I say a breaky support now then we should be finding a retest and then sell to the downside. Now you try for USD JPY you call different currency USD JPY now you share MBA chart no now be a chart now 4 hour time frame 4-hour time frame. The same thing that happen when I see our price rise okay. We draw resistance, resistance was through see. Now I draw support, I was see. Come on. We are now zooming in. What switch it to the different time frame. Now I show how a break and retest in the happen. Over chart we are saying it happen here. We say price in a while. Support in here, reaction here, push, resistance, drop. A break here no, and it's not very tested back a crab. Now you zoom in the entry. Then call on the 15-minute time frame. Won't say retesting happen here by happen here. But in the more case, price will come back and then retest, guys. Now you go back to good XAUUSD because that is what all the time they be trading. Until guys, gold is selling to the zone from a channel called you see gold is selling. Guys, until anyone on support and resistance, say net here. Ceiling and then the price floor, the price ceiling, price floor. Sana be more fair, guys. Into whom baby say net here when price is on the ceiling. And the other says even surprise no middle. If his price is in the middle, if say price no basuru, ever reject you when I say basuru or middle. The other say you find trade around this place until surprise they could do ceiling. What I say, Sana Samsung price could do ceiling. You find trades around that place until price will come into the zone again, guys. Until no one support and resistance. Subscribe to the channel, no comment down, comment section, guys. I'll see you in the next video.